Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make a wet velvet fudge. You take those only 3 ingredients, so let's get started. Alright, get a large bowl or something like microwave thing and put in 525 grams of white coffee. Then add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Oh, look at this. Then add about half a dozen to a dozen drops of red food coloring. Like that. Now just put this in the microwave on high for about 30-second bursts and then stir each time until it's completely melted. I'll get a baking tray, grease it, put some parchment paper, and put the fudge mixture straight in. Oh, yum. Now try to even out as fast as you can. Alright, now to put this in the fridge for about 2 to 4 hours, or you can put this in overnight. It's up to you. Alright, that's it. Just cut it into whatever size pieces you want. Well, I've got to try my recipe for red velvet fudge, as you can see. Now, if you want to have a deeper color, like a deeper red, sort of pinky red, add more red food coloring. So, you see, oh, it smells good. So, give it a bite. Oh, this is the best fudge I've ever made. Scrumptious. So thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you next month for a new recipe. Peace out.